Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking back at basic attention token. I feel like I'm making a lot of videos now because there's something going on. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, this is basic attention token on the weekly chart, and it doesn't look like much, but uh, the basic attention token has been bleeding considerably ever since August. It has bled against Bitcoin over 80%. And remember, that's against Bitcoin, not against the US dollar. Um, at around 630 sats, we seem to hit a bottom, and it seems a little bit more clear to see when you're looking on the daily. This moment in time right here, between January 2nd and January 15th, was what looks to be the bottom. Um, and we surged up as high as about close to 1100 sats, right on the money, and then we started to trend back down. But here we are resurging up, basic attention token up against Bitcoin about 12% for today. We bled yesterday 7%, which a lot of other altcoins did, but basic attention token today is one of the few that are up when we're comparing to Chainlink or Ethereum or Uniswap, Celsius. They are all down. Litecoin is down. Um, Monero is neutral. VeChain is down against Bitcoin. Basic Attention Token is one of the few. Now, is there something significant about Basic Attention Token that gave warrant to a 10% move? No. I think there's always a possibility of a random altcoin moving up 10% against Bitcoin in a day. And we're seeing that now with Basic Attention Token. And I don't think that changes my outlook in any way, but just something to be happy about, at least for today. I think, when we look at moves like that, can be happy, but I think it shouldn't cloud your judgment in thinking that basic attention token is about to skyrocket. Basic attention token has a huge journey in front of it to get to this higher level of about 55,000 sat level, right? Um, that's something this is ultimately my target. Um, one will be probably my last sell. I mean, I might hold a little bit of that to see if we can get back up here, but I think this is highly improbable. I think a more conservative estimate is to get to where it was consistently high the last cycle in 2018. And I think with that said, even to there, it has a long journey ahead of it. And we're only at 1,000 sats. It's got to move 5 times in order to get up to this level. So the first target is ultimately to get back into this trading channel here between 1,600 and 1,000 sats. But once it gets back up here, we can start looking to make some headways back into this I guess nether region here of no man's land. Um, but I think today is a happy day. We're up 10%, but I think again it should not cloud your judgment. Um, am I buying at this level? No. Basic attention token is already a high risk asset. It's a bottom 50 coin, and I think it's like rank 70-ish. And when a coin is that lowly ranked, liquidity is low, and it's just a higher risk. And I don't think I was very careful of where I was going to buy. I was considering buying up here, but when we saw it continue trend down, there was the possibility of it going even lower, and I took that risk of waiting. Right. And I think that's also uh, something that people don't tend to think about is waiting. Can you wait um, and have the chance of buying at a lower level or not? And in this case, I did take that risk, and I managed to accumulate at about 600 sats, 680 to be exact. So where I bought in, I'm not looking to buy in here. If it does go back down to like 600 sats, I could potentially look to re-up, increase my position, but I'm fairly happy with the position that I have. With that said, it is a long road for BAT, and I'm going to be here every step of the way. We'll see what happens with this coin. These are one of my punts, essentially. I mean, it's the highest risk asset I own If we're judging by market cap, this is the lowest capped coin that I own. It used to be uh, Celsius, but Celsius skyrocketed and became a top 20, and so or top 30, I guess, and so it's not the lowest market cap coin I own. Uh, but keep calm, carry on. Uh, Basic attention token. All it needs is time, I think. However, one asterisk. If the altcoin market tends to reverse at any point, and we have not made considerable gains with basic attention token, and this goes for any asset that I own, if it doesn't make considerable gains against Bitcoin or Ethereum, um, I will then reassess at that point whether it's worth holding, because I buy altcoins in the anticipation that they will outpace Bitcoin and also outpace Ethereum to some extent. If they're not doing that, then there's no point in holding them. And me holding them also gives me the risk of this money not being in something else, um, like Ethereum. So, with that said, we'll see where this goes. We're not there yet. We're far from there, I think. But a good day, a good example is today. Like Ethereum's dropping. What if this continues to drop, right? Like what if the Ether Bitcoin valuation continues to drop and we go back to like say 0.03 level? At that point, I think, Bitcoin's either making a giant move or dumping. And if it's the former, I will be looking at basic attention token where it is at. And if we're not if we're not making considerable headway, then I'll have to take a good long look at what bad has done for me, um, at that point. But rest assured, that's not for quite a long time, I think. And for now, we're enjoying this 10+% move today. That's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.